Hello, BSc second sem physics students. I am Rudra Manjunath, Associate Professor in Physics, Kottureshwara College, Kottur. Today, I would like to demonstrate the experiment, the determination of velocity of sound using signal generator. Vijayanagara Sri Krishna Devaraya University, Ballari prescribed this experiment to BSc second sem physics students. This experiment mainly consists of acrylic tube of 1 meter length with one end is closed. Actually, it is closed here. And a small pipe is provided. A small pipe is provided for the delivery of water. We can deliver water from this end and it consists of speaker assembly. One end of the tube, that is actually above end, is closed with this speaker. And the speaker is connected to signal generator. Actually, this is the signal generator. Here, speaker is connected to signal generator. To start the experiment, first fill the water in the tube up to the brim of the tube. Switch on the signal generator and select the frequency of the sine wave. Frequency of the sine wave. Actually, this is the square wave and this is the sine wave. I am going to choose 1 kilohertz here, 1 k into 1. I have chosen 1 kilohertz frequency. Now release the water. Slowly mark the point on the tube where the sound reaches to maximum intensity. Here I got maximum intensity. First resonance occurs near the top when water level has only fallen a short distance. Similarly, mark the other resonances, that is, mark other resonances points and measure the lengths. Repeat same steps for another value of frequency. First, inner diameter of the tube is noted. Actually it is 4 centimeters. End correction E is equal to 0.3 into D. It is 1.2, that is 0.3 into 4 centimeter is 1.2 centimeter. Here I have chosen frequency 1000 Hertz. I got fundamental mode. I am going to call that one as L1. It is 4.4. Here it is 4.4. Next, for second harmonic mode, it is 19.2 centimeter. That I am going to call it as L2. Similarly, third harmonic L3 is equal to 36.5. L4 is 54.5 centimeter. L5 is 73.5, and L6, that is sixth harmonic, it is 90 centimeter. Corrected length, that is capital, is equal to L1 plus corrected length L1 is equal to L1 plus E, that is 4.4 plus 1.2, it is 5.6. Similarly, capital L2 is equal to 20.4, L3 is equal to 37.7, next L6 is equal to 91.2. Calculate velocity. V is equal to 4f L1. If I substitute f, that is 1000, L 5.5 centimeter, I will get 22,400. Next, I calculated V2 also, that is V2 can be calculated 4 by 3 into F L2. After simplification, I got 27199.9, that is 27,199.9. Similarly, V3 is equal to 30,160. V4 is equal to 31,828.5. V5 is equal to, that is 4 by 9 FL5 is equal to 33,199.9. V6 is equal to 4 by 11 FL6, that is 33,163.6. I have taken mean of these values and I got 31,110.38 centimeter per second, or it is 311.1 meter per second.